Hello guys, today I'm going to show you step by step how to check in with Vietjet Airlines via Jet Travel Airlines. So first open Google and search for uh, Vietjet Airline and you will get to this website. Once you are on the website, look for the online check-in. So right here, click on that. Here you will see two ways to check in: reservation code, last name. If you are using the reservation code, just type it in here, then enter your last name. If you are checking in by last name, just click the search button. After that, you will see your check-in status online. It's really simple and quick, but if you run into any problems or can check in, don't worry, just click on support. Just click on the support right here and then contact them and you will good to go and you will get help by the support team. And that's it, friends. Super easy, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.